Here we have Panda, extremely badly pepper sprayed. And now it's time to clean him up. You know how we clean them up, don't you? Oh, you bastard. In you go. No, no. You know what happens if you don't go in? What? You know. Put your pan in a little bit of extra washing powder. Put some in the machine. Set your washing machine, power on, high efficiency off, hot, boiling hot. Yeah, it's not working, it's staying on warm. Heavy. Won't go on hot. Take that off. Oh dear. Fast spin, yes. Enjoy yourself for 55 minutes. It's on fast spin also.